Today we will chop, whisk, roll out, fry, and roll everything together to make a Brizol omelet. Brizol is a juicy meat omelet with filling that turns out very tender and satisfying. For this dish, we will need the following ingredients. Finely chop the green onions and transfer them to a bowl. Add the chopped onions to the ground meat. Season the meat with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. In a separate bowl, season the eggs with salt and pepper. Beat the eggs until smooth. Divide the meat mixture into 4 equal portions and shape them into balls. Prepare a sheet of plastic wrap to make flattening the meat easier. Flatten each meatball into a thin, even patty. Peel the cucumber. Finely dice the cucumber into small pieces. Finely dice the tomatoes as well. Pour the beaten eggs into a preheated skillet. Let the eggs set slightly, then place one of the meat patties on top. Cover with a lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Carefully flip the omelet and continue cooking under the lid for another 3 to 4 minutes. Spread a generous layer of cream cheese over the cooked side. Top with the diced cucumber and tomatoes. Roll the Brizol into a wrap and serve immediately. Serve hot and enjoy your meal.